What's up, yo folks? Here today we're gonna review another gaming keyboard, and this one is from the FANTECH, which is the K613L Fighter 2. And this thing is a full-size edition gaming keyboard, because this one has a macro keyboard without the numpad on the side. So the 84 keys, but this thing has 104 keys. It is a multimedia keyboard, full metal body, 3-mode RGB. But you cannot really even change any colors aside from changing in a 3-mode way. 25 keys, anti-ghost, double injection caps, and Windows lock. So as you can see, this is the keyboard itself. So this is the color of the RGB, the keyboard, the back, and there's the double injection caps. It has a 6mm floating transparent material caps and the high quality caps over there. On the back, it has a chroma backlighting, dual coil injection, 25 key rollover, aluminum alloy, floating key architecture, which is on the picture right here, numeric keys, and adjustable height. And right now we're gonna unbox it, see what does it look like from the inside and outside. First of all, you can see the braided cable over here, which is very nice. I like the braided cables. And the keyboard itself, it has a foam on it. And the user manual. See if the kind of user manual we have over here. It's a long little user manual, so we're gonna read it, boys, for you. So this is the multimedia caps, which is the F1 to 212. The RGB modes you can see over here, the FN, the PU, and PD. This we're gonna review later on. And this thing has a 322mm, when you can use the Fighter SKL2 size, which is the small version ones, and this is the full size of the K16L. You can see the difference between the two. This is the short version and this is the full version on it, which is the full size and the short size. The back, there's 9 on the back. So moving on to the keyboard. So here's the keyboard in itself. I like the color of the body on it. It's aluminum alloy. It said on the back. The keycaps, it's apparently plastic. There's a plastic, and the double injection caps underneath, which is pretty damn nice. I like the color. As you can see, guys, it's alloy aluminum, FANTECH logo, and the name on it. The multimedia caps on the top. You can see in the back, there's nothing really even on the back. This you can really even raise up like that. Just the small ones just sucks. If we stand it up with the stand, it's pretty damn nice. It's a small keyboard though, compared to my Cerberus ones over here, guys. This is the my keyboard that I'm currently using right now. The only thing that changes over here is the FN and the caps lock. It has only 2 modes. Compared this one, it has a 3. So we're gonna see what kind of colors you can see on the 3-mode way on here. It is a USB port. I like the braided cables on this, so nice job, FANTECH. So there's the light. It's pretty damn nice, okay? There's a pretty damn nice colors right there. The way you change the color is you're gonna press the FN and the SCR over here on the top. You can see, guys, it changes the color. This one is red, blue, green, yellow. And we change the other one, light blue, violet, and light yellow. And that's only the 3-mode way. We're gonna back on the this thing turns off in the 4th mode, and when you press it on again, it turns to green, red, red again. So I like the colors of the keyboard. So we're gonna test the sound. See, pretty damn nice. So right now, boys, we're gonna turn out the light and see what does the light look like in the darkness. So this is the look like of the keyboard in the dark. It's pretty damn nice, but it's kind of a lighter because I have a PC that lights up. So this is the keyboard looks like on the dark side. It's pretty damn nice, as you can see, guys. For about 16 bucks, I like the color on this keyboard compared to my Cerberus that cost like 40 bucks in the market, but this thing is for 16 bucks. I like the lights on it though. It's pretty damn nice. Wow, cannot believe the color. What about the 16 bucks? Good job, FANTECH, good job. It is a mechanical feel keyboard, but it's only a membrane keyboard. But I like it though. For gamers right there, it has a small hands. But for me, for my opinion, it is not good for me because I have a big hands over here. As you can see on the Cerberus ones, it is I have a good feel, comfort on the keyboard, but this one it is not. I don't have the comfort on this keyboard, but I like the keyboard a lot. In the build size, the design, it is very damn good. So that's all for the review for the K613L full size keyboard. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxing in the future like this, because the way the keyboard feels, it's very nice. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is Force again. Peace out.